Hi there! Clean air is something that we all deserve, and with winters just around the corner, we all know it leads to drastic rise in pollution and smog levels. So, when I was looking for an air purifier, I had to go for the best one that made no compromises. I bought the Dyson Pure Cool Advanced Air Purifier, which by the way also doubles as a fan. Hang on, bladeless fan to be precise. So, let's dive in deeper. So this bottom part houses a motor along with a fan that sucks in all the unfiltered air. And if you look closely, it's got this nice beautiful grill design and it's taking in unfiltered air from all the directions. Now this grill can be removed. Now when you see this switch here, it's there on both sides. You pull it down and that will actually release the grill. And there are filters inside. Let me remove the other side as well. There you go. And you can see that each has two types of filters. This one is the HEPA filter. The one of the purple one, this is a HEPA filter that removes 99.95% of particles of dust, pollen, mold, bacteria or any kind of airborne particles. And second, this one is the carbon filter that removes odor from the air such as the smell of tobacco or any kind of odor. Then this HEPA filter actually can be removed from this grill. You press this button here and it actually releases the HEPA filter. But this is something that you're not going to be doing very often. This is only going to be needed when you're going to replace the HEPA filters. Apart from that, you might never even need to remove it. And this goes back in here. Now, if you have to fix it back, what you're going to need to do is take the carbon filter, make sure it gets a good grip, and there you go. Similarly, on this side, you take the carbon filter, attach it, and there you go, you're done. Further below at the bottom is the power input port and we get a huge brick to power the purifier. Now I wish this was smaller as sometimes this doesn't stay in place because of its weight. Then at the top is a huge oval loop design. It has this white glossy finish and looks like a decorative piece in your room. Now if you're wondering where does the air come from, well you see this gap, this is where the purified air is pushed out from. Now the best part is that the air purifier oscillates to spread fresh clean air to the whole room. Also thanks to that air multiplier technology, the device can spread the air even further. Since this doesn't have any blades, it's also child safe, so you don't have to worry about kids putting their fingers anywhere. It comes with a color LCD display, so when it's turned on, it shows you that it's running on auto and a graph showing you the AQI level. If it's green, means you're in a clean breathable environment. It also comes with a super compact remote. Now, surely some of you might think it's easy to lose this considering it's so small. Correct. This is why Dyson has come up with a super simple solution. It's magnetic and attaches on top of the loop so you know where to find it or exactly where to place it. Just to give you some reference, this is my iPhone and this is how small the remote is. It's really compact. It has a sturdy metallic build. There's a power button on the top left to turn on or off the purifier. Press the I button to get more info on the LED display. First is AQI levels. When you press it again, 24-hour AQI levels, PM levels. Press again for VOC, NO2, temperature, humidity, and the status of the filters. Now this is the auto button. Now auto mode is self-explanatory. Now I suggest you stick to it. It starts off more aggressively when you start the machine. The fan speed is more audible, but then it slows down once the AQI levels are normal. Works just perfectly. The fan speed can be adjusted from the remote from 1 all the way to 10. Check this out. So right now the fan speed is 1, 2, 3. Can you hear anything? Absolutely nothing. 4, 5, maybe something, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is full speed and of course it's really audible, but I prefer keeping it to auto. Now see. It's absolutely silent. Amazing. Then this is to access diffuse mode. Now what is diffuse mode? So for example, in winters you want the clean air, but you don't want the air to be directed towards you. So when you press this button, the clean air is pushed from these side vents, leading to not the air being directly thrown towards you, which is a really smart idea. Then this is the oscillation button, or rotate, whatever you like to call it. You can control it from here. Also would like to mention, the rotating motor is absolutely silent. And finally, this is the night mode button, where it dims the LED light and reduces the fan speed to almost silent so you get sound sleep. Now for those looking for more, the Dyson air purifier also comes with app support, and you can get tons of info and controls from there as well. The temperature of your city with humidity, and the same for the room where the purifier is placed. The same remote controls as well. Now if you go further into the settings, you can change the temperature unit, Wi-Fi connection, which means you can access and control this air purifier from anywhere directly from your app. Then your filter life and even software updates. Further, you can schedule your machine timings. You can even connect it to your smart speaker as an Alexa, or even control it using Siri from your iPhone or HomePod. Can't ask for more, can you? So I've been using this for a couple of weeks and it's been a pretty good experience. It's the simplest piece of tech in my house while it's doing all the complex work of purifying my environment in the background. It's just effortless. You don't even know what's happening, you just turn it on and it works. The HEPA and carbon filters should easily last you an year if you're going to use it for around 6 to 7 hours for a day. You can check the status of the filters on the app or even on the LED display. So this comes with 2-year warranty, so clearly you don't have to worry about after sales. Also worth mentioning, Dyson has one of the best customer service. The way they explain their online demos, they're just too good. Bottom line, they make you feel like one of the most important clients, and that's really important. The Dyson Pure Cool Air Purifier is priced at $45,900. Yes, it's pricey, but if you're looking for the best without any compromises, this one is totally worth it. Okay, so if I could nitpick, maybe some sort of a light, a floor light, or maybe just a light around the loop would have just made it more attractive. But again, like I said before, I'm just nitpicking. It's a great product. By the way, there's also a hot and cold Dyson air purifier. For places where it gets really cold, it will dispense hot air. That's a great idea. So I'll leave the links for both in the description, the Cool Link one and the Hot and Cool one. So if you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video is helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.